Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix VRChat mic not working. First, check your internet connection. Turn your Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot off for a few seconds, then turn it back on to refresh your network connection. Now press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type temp and click OK. Select all the files in this folder and delete them. If some files are in use, simply skip them. Now open the Run dialog again. Type %temp% and click OK. Delete all the files in this folder as well to clear additional temporary system files. Once that's done, restart your computer. This refreshes your system and applies the changes. After your PC restarts, right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. Check for any unnecessary background applications using high CPU or memory, and close the ones you don't need before launching VRChat. Now open Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. Click Privacy and Security from the left side. Now open Delete Browsing Data. Check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Then click Delete Data. Now go back and open the Start menu, click Settings. Then select Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. Restart your computer again if Windows asks you to. Finally, open VRChat, go to the in-game audio settings, make sure the correct microphone is selected, and confirm that your microphone isn't muted in either Windows or VRChat. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.